Hey everyone, I'm Bryce, this is Stephanie,
Hi.
and this is Ash.
Hi.
And today we wanted to talk about what's been going on with YouTube. Here, go play. If you haven't heard already, we've been having some problems on the news with images and things popping up in our YouTube, kids' YouTube, to be more specific. And you're actually the first person to bring it up and tell me about it.
Yeah, I knew it was going on. Now that I'm a parent, it makes me a little bit more terrified to know that this is really actually going on. So it's nice to have the option to kind of take control.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, and what had happened that sparked me and us being here right now and talking to you guys. I'm a part-time Uber driver or Lyft driver. I do both. And today, actually, right when I left my house to start my night, I met a lady and we were going to pick up her kids, and we got into the conversation about what was going on. And it basically went like this, like we were talking, and I said, I was like, I wonder why people just don't download the videos and put them on a device and just watch them like that. I mean, it's pretty easy to do, and it's pretty easy to do. And why don't people just do that? And she was like, what do you mean? What are you talking about? How do I do that?
People don't know.
Yeah. And so we kind of got, it was really short ride, but we got into the conversation as we were waiting for our kids to come out of the school. And I started to tell her, just how, like, the idea of it and how she can do that at home. And when we got back to her house, basically, she had sat in the car for an extra minute asking me, hey, can you please tell me like how I do this? Because it's seriously a problem of mine. Like, I have to daily monitor both of my kids. Her kids are like 8 and 12. And she said I have to monitor both of my kids constantly on their YouTube videos. And I also have a friend who, I had kind of brought this up to him before shooting this video, and I asked him the same question about it. And he said that they actually deleted YouTube from their daughter's like phone or whatever device they're using on. So they don't even get to use YouTube at all. So it's either you're deleting it or you're actually having to monitor it constantly, which is, I mean, that's so much work.
Yeah.
YouTube is constantly suggesting stuff. They're able to search things. There's videos on the side that you can accidentally hit and it starts something else. So I didn't realize the tool that I use, not for this specific thing, can be used for something like this. And that's basically why we're here right now. So after having that conversation with the lady in the car, and I want to thank you if you're watching this, because hopefully this helps you and anybody else out there that wants to follow this easy video that I'm about to do for you guys. I told her, as she was asking me, can you tell me how to do this? I said, you know what? I could do you one better. He's okay. I could do you one better. I'm gonna go home right now, even though I'm supposed to go to work, and I'm gonna shoot this video for you guys. And that was just about an hour ago that I was just talking with her. So without further ado, guys, pay attention to this next video. It's gonna help you tremendously and save you a lot of time. So hopefully you find this useful and you guys share this with others. So here we go. Hey everyone, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to go to YouTube, obviously, and you're going to search for whichever videos that you're trying to download. I'm going to use Peppa Pig because that's what we watch here in this house. So what you can do is you can ask your kids to make a list of videos that they want to watch, whether it's music videos, cartoon videos, informational videos, which I highly recommend. And you'll go on here and you'll search for the type of video that you're looking for. And in this example, like I said, we're going to be using Peppa Pig. And first I want to show you that you're able to actually download some of these longer ones to save yourself from having to download a bunch of little ones. Of course, the longer ones are going to take a little bit longer to load up. So let's use this 57-minute video just to give you an example. So I'm going to go ahead and just select it. And as you can see, we're already getting an ad here. So this is something that we're going to not have to worry about after going through the process of downloading these videos. Along with these other suggested videos, we're not going to have that problem, and that's what we're trying to avoid. So we'll just skip this ad, and we're going to jump right into it. And you can see this video has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 different commercials in this video, which is quite a lot. And depending on what your last search was, those are the ads that you're going to see.
Right now I'm in incognito mode, so we're not really seeing much ads, but I do a lot of online marketing and work at home stuff. So normally I would see a bunch of ads for that. So keep that in mind when you're, that's how ads work. So let's just pause this because we don't need it to play. And what I'm going to do next is you guys are going to open up a new tab. And bear with me if you know how to do this already. Basically, you just click this little button here at the top of your screen, the little little plus button, and it opens up a new tab. Again, I'm in incognito mode. You don't need to be in incognito mode. If you don't even know what incognito mode is, don't worry about it. I'm doing that just to protect some of my personal stuff on here that usually pops up during the clicks that I'm making in this video. So you'll open up a new tab and you're going to go to this site. It's called youtubenow.com. It's right here on the top left. And basically what it is, it's YouTube Now without the E. Okay, so just drop the E, youtubenow.com. Cool. It's pretty self-explanatory, guys. But if you notice right here underneath this button that says download, underneath where you're going to paste a URL, it says advertisement. Don't click that button. That's not a real download button. Okay, so now that you have this open in a new tab, jump back over here to our Peppa Pig video that we're going to be downloading, and you're just going to go up here to the URL where it says www, and go up there and you're just going to hit, you can do this on your keyboard with the control button and the letter C at the same time, and that's copy, or you can highlight it like we did here and then just copy it. And then take that link, come back over here to YouTube Now, and paste that link here in the box. Pretty easy, right? So that's, just give that a moment to pop up. And what we're going to do next, we're obviously going to download it. So what this is the Peppa Pig video that we saw on the other screen, or the other tab here. Don't worry about changing this. Just leave it on 720 and just go ahead and hit download. Now you'll see down here on the bottom left, this is a 57-minute video. It's almost already done. I have a pretty quick computer, so just give it time if it takes a little longer than what it's doing in this video, and you'll see that it's already done. It's not loading anymore. I'm going to leave this up, and what I recommend you guys doing, if you're going to be doing a lot of videos here on the computer you're watching, is grabbing the little lock here, and if you grab that and you just drag it down to your bookmark bar, it'll stay right there. I already have it right here. So basically all I need to do if I want to download a new video for my son to watch, I just click this and it takes me straight to this. And then it's ready for me to paste a link in here. And I'll do another one here, a short video also, so we can see that as well. So now that it's downloaded, what do? Well, don't worry about that. Just leave it here. Don't close this. This will be the download place we're going to go to find the video later. Go ahead and open up another new tab and go to Google Drive, okay? Search Google Drive. If you open up and it's on Google, just search Google Drive, okay? What you can do, and I actually recommend this, is just go create one new Google account and dedicate it just to this. Because what we're going to be using is Google Drive. And Google Drive is a free application. Basically, you can share different types of different things. Basically, we're using it for video. You can also use it for documents. You can use it for slides. So you might even know what this is already. So I'm just like trying to get everybody that's watching this video. So if you already know what I'm talking about, just kind of bear with me. But it's basically an office tool for free online. So it's pretty cool. So go ahead, and if you don't know how to create a new account, come to the top right and then just do add account and then create new account. Okay, pretty easy, guys. I'm going to go back because I don't need to do that. I'm already logged in, so make sure you're logged into that account, and then go ahead and click Google Drive. Right, and then you should see this screen. Go ahead and click the blue button in the middle. And now this is my Google Drive folder. Okay, I've already went in before I made this video and made a couple folders, just because I want you to know that you can actually have basically different categories for videos you're downloading, so it's not all mixed up. If you're like me, then you want it kind of organized. So I have just a generic YouTube folder. I made a Peppa Pig folder, and then I got how-to videos. I love watching how-to videos with my son. It's pretty cool because we can watch them on the road, wherever we're at, without having or needing any kind of Wi-Fi or data, and I'm going to show you how to do that with these videos. So let's go ahead and let me show you how you create these folders so you have different categories to put these videos that we're downloading in. Go up here to the top left and select New, and select the plus sign with the folder. And that's going to pop up a window or a little box for you to name the folder. And just go ahead and name it to whatever category you're uploading right now. If you're following this video, then just name it Peppa Pig. It's pretty easy. After you do that, hit create, and the folder should pop up right here in the same area where mine are. Next, what we're going to do is just double click the folder that we just created. And as you can see, there's nothing in this folder. And we're going to go ahead and still at the bottom here, I'm going to show you how you can find this just in case we lose this or if you accidentally close it. But you should have your download still available at the bottom of your browser. Go ahead and right click it and put show in folder. And this is going to pull up the folder that it was downloaded to on your computer. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of drag that over real quick so we can see what's going on. This says to drop new files here. So this is the file, the video that we downloaded from this website, okay, just so you're with me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this video and I'm going to drag it over here. And bottom right, you can see it's already uploading it. It's a little bit of a longer video, so I'm going to give it a minute. We'll come back to this. So let that just let that upload on. Now, if for some reason you close this, which let's say this happens, and now you're here, but you don't see the video that you downloaded here. What you can do to find the videos, you can either go into your computer settings, go to your downloads, because this is where it's going to be. It's going to be in downloads. Just click that, and that's going to open up the download folder, and there it is again right there. You can just do that same combination. Okay, if you, one more, I'm going to show you a third way. You're here on your screen, okay, you don't have it down there, and maybe you don't want to go into your computer settings for whatever reason. These three dots at the top right of your screen in the window, just go ahead and click that and go to Downloads. And it's going to show you your most recent one right here, and you can just click Show in Folder, and it's going to pull it up again. You would go back to your browser here. And just drag the folder right in there again, okay? And there it is. So there's the first video already. Okay everyone, so next what I want you to do is grab the device that your kids use to watch YouTube videos. In this video, I'm going to be using my iPhone, and if you were using an iPhone, then just go ahead and follow along with me. If not, I'll explain how you're going to do it on your tablets or other devices. It should be pretty easy. So all you need to do is go to, in this case, the App Store. It's called the Google Play Store on Android devices. Open that up, and I want you guys to go in and search for Google Drive. Just go ahead and search for it here at the top. Open it up, and then go ahead and hit download. So after it's done downloading, all you need to do is select Open to open up the app on your device. In this next step, we're just going to sign in to the same email account that we used on the computer when dropping our videos into Google Drive. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. After you've done that, you can see that it's going to pull up the same folders that we created on the computer. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to open up our Peppa Pig folder. And here's our video, our 57-minute video uploading right now to our Google Drive account. And I'm going to go ahead and select it. And as you can see, the video is still processing. So what I want to do next is I'm going to show you a shorter video so we can complete this so we're not waiting for this 57-minute video to upload. But it will be uploading while we're working. So here's a video that's under 2 minutes. I'm going to do the same process, and I'm just going to do it twice, one more time, so that you guys can just be aware of what we're doing. So we'll let this ad play real quick. This is, again, you're not going to have to deal with this after it's downloaded. You can actually skip it now. Okay, pause it. Go ahead and grab the link, copy it, come back to our YouTube downloader. We're going to paste the link right there, let it load, download the video. Here it is again on the bottom. And then we're going to open up the video, show in folder, by right-clicking it. Here's the video. Okay, so it's already highlighted. I'm just going to grab it, drop it into our Google Drive inside the Peppa Pig folder. And we'll just let that load real quick. And there it is. We're actually going to jump back to the phone so we can see it faster. And that other video should still be uploading. Okay, everyone, so we're here in the Google Drive on the app. And as you can see, both videos are now uploaded. And what I want to show you next is how we can watch these videos not on any Wi-Fi or network or any streaming data usage. And what we're going to do is open up the menu down here on the bottom, and we're going to select Available Offline. And I'm just going to pull down the settings here, and I'm going to show you how this video will work offline. So we'll just go in here and I'm going to flip off airplane mode. It should turn off everything on my phone so that I have no signal at all. And then I'm going to open up the video here. And there it is. Playing right now with no Wi-Fi, no connection at all to the internet. And as you can see, with no ads or anything like that. So just click the top of the screen and you'll pull up this menu here, and we'll just exit out of it and we'll go back, and then I want to show you the next video with Wi-Fi. So if you are connected at home on your Wi-Fi, you can still watch these videos, not have to make them available online or offline. I recommend just making them available offline in case you don't have connection. But again, we're able to watch this 57-minute video online, and then we're just going to exit out of it. Hold on. Just by clicking the top of the screen. Okay. Hit the X, and we'll go back. I'm going to go into the settings. I'm going to make it available offline. So then I'm going to go back to the main page here, or the front page of my Google Drive where my folders are. And you can see we have the different folders that we created. Maybe yours looks a little different if you created a different folder. But whenever I want now, I can just jump on to my phone or whatever device we downloaded Google Drive on together, go into that folder that the videos are in, and they're ready to play. So I would just select Peppa Pig folder. My two videos that are already downloaded to my Google Drive account on my computer, which is synced in with the device, now has those videos available. There's really no limit, guys. There might be a limit, but I have yet to find one. I have a lot of videos already downloaded on my phone, things that we watch on the regular, and this is good. You know, if you want to save even the data used on your devices, you're able to do this again offline. That's probably huge. Probably one of the biggest things to take away from this. Cool. Well, I hope that was very helpful for you guys. I'm going to jump back on camera real quick and just wrap this video up.
Hi. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope it was easy enough for you to follow. Of course, if it wasn't, go back and just follow the video over again, okay? It's really important that you guys take the time to either monitor your YouTube content on our children's devices, however way possible, whether it's doing it in this video or just watching every video that they're watching with them. Of course, this is going to save you a lot of time and energy by following the steps in this video. Okay, if you have any questions or if you want to reach out to me, feel free to connect with me on my Facebook down below in this link. Leave me a comment, and if you enjoyed this, I don't normally do videos like this. I do have other content here on my channel. Feel free to subscribe, guys, because I do. I'm always putting out new stuff, showing you how I'm able to find tricks, promo codes, discounts, and even show you how I make an income online. Have a great night, guys. Thanks for watching.